At eFACTOR3, we pride ourselves with the support that our technical experts give our clients through the full life cycle of their systems and their equipment.
Our technicians bring a combined 80 years of industrial machine installation, maintenance, and repair experience in the recycling industry. Safety and client experience are always top of mind with any service call or visit. Our goal is to support and empower your operational, plant, and maintenance teams and managers to understand how best to maintain your equipment, as well as ensure you are meeting productivity goals and getting the most out of your machine or system. All of our technicians are M&J certified and participate in regular, ongoing, continued education and training with all of our equipment partners. Our warehouse boasts a large variety of spare and wear parts that can easily ship to your facility within 1 to 2 business days. From start to finish, we cover all of the maintenance requirements needed to fulfill the life cycle of support for your machines. At eFACTOR3, it's more than just service, it's a partnership.